Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to set up a proxy on Linux using ProxyChains. Launch the terminal to get started. To set up a proxy in ProxyChains, you'll need to configure its settings. Enter the command displayed on the screen and press Enter. Scroll down to the random chain section and put a hash in front of this phrase to comment it out. Now scroll up to the dynamic chain section and remove the hash to enable the use of a proxy. Next, set the proxy, whether it's a single proxy or multiple proxies. Go to the proxy list format section for the required formats and instructions for both personal and free proxies. Continue scrolling down to the proxy list section. In this section, set the proxy considering the protocol and the type of proxy you have. You can enter one or more proxies as needed. Once you've done this, the proxy is now set, ensuring the anonymity of your work in the future. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.